Thank you for looking at our website today and our video on how to use our Septic Tank Guide Pro. Pretty much this is a slide chart to show different tank sizes and their dimensions. So what we do is you can slide it up and down, and there's two different arrows. There's the left side with the left arrow, and there's the right side with the right arrow. As you go up and down, these numbers will change. So for our most common tank is a 1250 tank. As you can see, as I slide it down to 1250, the invert in, the invert out, the length and the width of the tank is clearly shown, as well as your baffle heights, which is critical for making it before state inspection. On the 1250, it happens to be 12 inches is your baffle height on your inlet and 23 inches on your outlet. And we also give gallons per vertical inch, which on a 1250 is 23 gallons. So if you're a designer, that is critical for when you go down to a 2-compartment tank, a 1250, 350, you'll notice that it gets 7 gallons per vertical inch when you're doing your pump design.